Sabah al Khair students, my name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. So this is JEE 2017 question, and the question is they have given us diameter of capillary D is equals to 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Rise of water, look, let's say this is our capillary, okay? So rise in water level, let's say its height is h, which is given as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, and diameter, this is the diameter, this is capillary, right? So its diameter is d, which is 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters, correct? They have given us such information. G is equals to 9.8, and this is the formula. T is surface tension, which is equals to RGH by 2. R is the radius of the capillary, this is diameter, okay? Radius of the capillary, H is the height, increase in the water level, and G is the acceleration due to gravity, Newton per meter. Students, surface tension is force per unit length, correct? Now they wanted to know possible error in surface tension is closest to what? Possible error in surface tension. So let's try to solve question together. 1 minute. Okay, the solution is first write down the formula, equals to RHG divided by 2 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. Students, look, R is variable because radius of the R is variable, which is radius of the capillary, H is the height of the water level, G is constant, which is acceleration due to gravity, and they all are in multiplication. So you know that if x is here, t, x is t. So if we have formula which says x is equals to a into b, and we wanted to know the possible error in this x, here x is equals to t, x is equals to t. So you remember I told you, and I told you the concept, derivation, etc. in my previous video, just check it out. So the concept is delta x over x is equals to delta a over a plus delta b over b. Okay, so this is the possible error in calculating the surface tension or in variable x. Okay, now students, let's just do it. Delta t over t, delta, since they are in multiplication, so we can apply here, that is plus minus, we have delta I, here we have delta r. Students, I just wanted to give you one more thing I wanted to tell you. Look, here we have radius, and in question they have given us diameter. They have given us 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2, correct? So can I multiply here 2 and 2, multiply and divide? So this 2r will give me diameter. Okay, so now the tension formula will be equals to, since this is 2r, so d gh divided by 4 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. Fine. So now my formula will be delta d over d, this is d now, delta d over d plus delta h over h, correct? And students, remember, you don't have to take value of g in error, because g is constant has fixed value, so there cannot be error in it. Okay, we always calculate when we measure something. There is chances that when we are doing some practicals for we are dealing with particular measured values, we usually deal with. So there will be error when we just go through our variables, but this is constant never have some error. Okay, this is fixed value, 10 to the power 3 is constant, fixed value, 4 is fixed, so there cannot be error in this. Okay, now students, one more thing, this is the error. Okay, if you want percentage, since the question asks in percentage, so just multiply by 100. One more thing, in question they have given d is equals to 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, correct? They have not given us delta d. So students, I wanted to tell you one thing. After decimal there are 2 digits, so most we have to uncertainty will be in the last digit, so we have to approximate this last digit. Okay, or in when very simple terms I wanted to tell you. If you are not understanding, so it's fine. Let's I wanted to tell you one more thing. Look, after decimal there are 2 digits. So minimum to minimum possible error is 0.01. After decimal again 2 digits. Okay, so this is minimum to minimum value, and 10 to the power minus 2 as it is. And then we have delta h. They have given us I think 1.45 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters again. So students, again, sorry, this is h value, and what will be delta h? Minimum to minimum error that can be that we can calculate. Minimum to minimum error is after decimal, it is 2 digits. So can I write 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters? This is the minimum possible error. So most you have to approximate, the error will be in the last digit. Okay, uncertainty will be in the last digit, so we have to approximate this digit. Okay, if you can understand this concept or not. So in very simple time I wanted to tell you, if you have after decimal you have 2 values, it means you have to approximate the values to 2 digits, that is 0.01. Minimum to minimum error in your measuring scale. Okay, so you just have to put the variables. Delta t over t is equals to plus minus delta d is 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 1.25 plus 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 1.45. Fine. And this is also minus 2. I forgot to write minus 2. Look students, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancel, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancel. Okay, and here decimal cancel, decimal 2 digit place, decimal 2 digit place cancels out. So we are left with look what we are left with. We are left with delta t over t is equals to plus minus 1 divided by 125 plus 1 divided by 145. Okay, everything's got cancelled out right now. Look, all thing cancels out. Okay, so now what to do? And remember, they want it in terms of percentage, so just multiply both side by 100, which is equals to plus minus 100 divided by 125 divided by 145 delta t over t into 100, which is equals to plus minus, this will give you 0.8. Remember, 8 5s are 125, 8s are 1000. If you just take point here, and if you divide this number, you will get 0.68. Okay, so plus minus 1. I think 1.48. So most approximated value in terms of percent, this is percentage, so most approximated value will be 1.5. Okay, so what will be the correct option? Correct option is 1.4, 1.5. Possible error in surface tension is closest to what? Okay, possible error they have asked in terms of percentage. So this is our required answer. So hope you got the point. Thanks for watching. Khuda Hafiz.